All right, guys, LP with S&W Service and Repair, and I want you guys to start doing what other people aren't doing. If everybody is staying in one area, being concentrated, get out of that area. If everybody is doing certain appliances right there just to try and get the milk and honey and milk the cow, get out and expand and do some of the stuff that other people don't want to do. I know it might be hard, but it's going to be profitable. There's going to be a lot of people that don't want to do it. So you're going to be able to build up your skill set, get paid good, and then provide a service for the customers that need it, because no one else wants to do it. Nobody want to do it. Nobody don't want to work on them dishwashers. That's why I attack dishwashers so just ferociously, man. I'm on dishwasher patrol. You know, I'm trying to get that money with them dishwashers. It's a good thing to go where no one else wants to go.